Hey guys, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell 757-515-3028. Today I'm going to be showing you a really nice renovated ranch. It's 617 Delora Circle in the Aragona section of Virginia Beach, really close to town center. Virginia Beach Boulevard, kind of right in the middle of Virginia Beach, but real a popular residential area. Aragona Pembroke is kind of just through these trees, the Little League there, if you want to get your bearings straight. But nice cul-de-sac lot, which affords you no through traffic for kids. We got a nice backyard. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath, just under 1,700 square feet, right around there. And you can see lots of new. They're brick got painted. You got some replacement windows. This is luxury vinyl plank here, so it's kind of waterproof, scratch resistant. Fantastic kitchen in here. I mean, this island is, or I guess it's a peninsula, technically it's connected, but you can just see how massive this little bar overhang and kitchen design is. So the kitchen is really the heartbeat of the house here. It's just fantastic. Tile backsplash, stylish, great cabinets with the soft close feature. Does include a counter depth fridge, which is a bonus. Nice single bowl undermount sink. Again, the backsplash, just really super kitchen here. Transition back to living. Off the back, this is probably the TV family room, but it works as a sunroom, gives you access to the backyard. I'm not going to go back there just for the sake of time on the video, but you can see this shed conveys as is, but it's massive. It's got the big section with the kind of A-frame roof, and then another little flat roof section with reach-in style door. Little patio area here, but you've got new patio right here off the back. The backyard is fully fenced, and you can kind of see as we go this way, we're going to the extreme corner, but plenty of room out here. Here's the master, which is just through the kitchen, so it's on the opposite side of the house from the other bedrooms, which could be nice for like a noise buffer. Nice big walk-in closet, new ceiling fan, new paint, new carpet. This bathroom didn't exist before, it's all brand new. We'll get a mirror installed here, but a nice double vanity, tile floor, nice big shower here with the custom tile surround, nice fixture, little recess for the toilet. Again, andyhubba.com. Feel free to like and subscribe too. I appreciate the patronage. I'm happy to assist you guys with real estate questions. Obviously, we can go full service and represent anybody in Virginia, but I can also refer you to anybody out of state. I've got an awesome network. All right, so here's the hall bath that'll service kind of the guests in the other bedrooms. See a nice new vanity. Mirror, new lights, new window, toilet, tub. Again, its own tile surround. This one's kind of cool because it has the double niche, but tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. Then we'll go bedroom 2, ceiling fan, new carpet, new doors, new paint. Bedroom 3, and then here's bedroom 4, and then everybody's got a closet. You got your closet around here. Again, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. I look forward to connecting with you. Make sure you make it a priority when you're home shopping. You have some fun, and have a great Memorial Day weekend if you watch this right away, as it's Friday, Memorial Day weekend 2020. Thanks.